Hello everyone, for the task 2.2c for SIT 210, I'm going to demonstrate how I made my first name blink in Morse code using Arduino Nano 33 IoT. I've connected it with my laptop using micro USB to USB-A cable and I have programmed it using Arduino IDE. This is my Arduino code in which I have two functions, the setup function and the loop function. In the setup function, the instructions, these are run only once, whereas in the loop functions, these are run again and again. So basically the setup function is used to set the devices as the output device or input device connected to the pins of Arduino Nano. We have to mention the pin number for the built-in LED of Arduino Nano. We have used the default name LED built-in, which sets the LED as output device. So we can just blink it on or off. I have created the two functions, the dot function and the line function. For the dot function, the LED will blink for a shorter time, whereas for the line function, the LED will blink for a longer time. So I have set the pin as high, which will turn on the LED for 300 milliseconds, that is for 0.3 seconds. So I have done this using the digital write function in which I have stated the name of the pin, that is LED built in, and set it as high. Then I have turned on the LED for 0.5 seconds. Similarly for the line function, I have turned the LED on for 0.8 seconds and then again off for 0.5 seconds. In the line function, I have given the delay 0.8 seconds, whereas in the dot function, I have given it for 0.3 seconds, so that I can distinguish between the dot and the line in the Morse code. Coming on my first name with my first letter as P, according to the Morse code pattern, it has first a dot, then a line, and then again a dot. So rather than writing the digital write functions again and again, I have called the dot function, then line function, then again dot function. Similarly, for the letter A, for the pattern of a dot and line, I have called the dot function and the line function. And to distinguish a letter from the other, I have given a gap, that is a delay of 1 second. So I have written the code for all my letters of my first name, P, A, L, V, and I. Coming on the loop where the actual instructions are run. So rather than calling the dot and the line functions again and again, I have just called the letter P function that I have made here. It is beneficial or it is usable, it increases the usability of the code. As for the letter L, I don't have to write the dot and the line functions again and again or the digital write functions again. I have just to call the letter L function 2 times in my first name. So I have called the function letter A, letter P, letter A, letter L again, letter V and letter I to run my name, to blink my name on the LED in Morse code. Since the instruction will run again, so I have given a gap of 5 seconds to distinguish that my. So here's my name blinking on Arduino Nano.